My experience in Thai Yoga Center was one of the most expensive experiences I've had. It was way better than I expected. I moved through a lot fear and constrictions in my body. I've always had a phobia of being weak, and even though that's not really the case, but it has been active in my system as I am weak, and now I experience so much strength and expansion in my body. And I do not register that fear of weakness anymore within my emotional body and within my cells mainly. And that was a very personal experience. I feel like my energy body has expanded immensely. And this is what I want to say.